What's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Trey and we are about to do admittedly, this did not go the way it was supposed to go. This was supposed to be a Coach unboxing of a couple of items that I purchased. Honestly, not recently, but I was waiting to record this video to do my unboxing. And then I messed the unboxing up. So instead of doing an unboxing of these Coach items that I purchased from the most recent Disney Coach collaboration collection, I am going to have to do a freestyle version of it. Everything is still in the box that I unboxed. And I'm just going to talk through the items and kind of give an initial reaction. Oh, it's backwards and upside down. Wait a minute here. Okay, yes. So I'm just going to talk through what I have in my box, all the goodies. Now, if you are a Coach fan or a Disney fan too, I love Mickey. I have my Mickey t-shirt on right now in celebration of this video. If you're a Coach fan or if you're a Disney fan, you know Coach regularly does these Coach Disney collabs. Super, super cute pieces. I typically love at least one thing from every collection, usually more than one thing. So when I saw that this collection dropped, I was like, okay, well, let me see if there's something that stands out that I think I might want to get. And I had two pieces that I really, really liked. And I'm going to talk through those. The first one was this jacquard print, ridiculously good looking jacquard print swinger bag. So this is a classic Coach style. I'm sure if you are a Coach follower, you know the swinger bag. It has been pretty prominent over the last several years when it comes to just the bags that they show, even with their brand ambassadors and like the celeb brand ambassadors. And then also the, whether it's like the creators, macro creators, micro creators that they have as ambassadors as well, whether it's a Coach campaign, whether it's just like an ambassador post or whatever the case may be, you're gonna see a swinger bag from season to season. And like I said, I've regularly been seeing them. I knew I wanted to get one eventually. I just never had a style that really stood out to me enough for me to feel like I have to have this bag. I really want to pick it up. Then this came along. I am just dearly impressed and devoted to this signature print and the jacquard fabric. Great color story. The brown, it's brown and then like a tan or cream beige. You've got your leather detailing as well. So you got your leather strap. It also comes with a crossbody strap or shoulder strap. Your gold tone hardware, which is always a must for me. And really cool detailing such as this, your zipper for the bag. It is secured with a turn lock, which is just super cute to me. So it secures with the turn lock, even though they ain't really gonna be securing much of nothing, but great detail. I love that. But the standout part of this bag and what really, really made me love it are these embroidered Disney characters. And I'm gonna add, I had my nails done, not recently, so we're not giving up, it's not a fresh set. But maybe like a week and some change ago. But they have Mickey on them, so I'm like, look at the timing for me to be having these Mickey nails and be talking through this Disney Coach bag. Look at this embroidery. I was like, do I want to say embroidered characters or embroidery? We're gonna say them both. I just said them both. You got Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Daisy. So Disney love, the Disney couples, all right? They are showing up and showing out on the bag. You've got them on there and you also have the castle. You have the castle. So I thought that these were just such a cute addition to this bag. And the good thing, I'm gonna keep it up here just a little longer so you can see just how well done. And these are not those little stickers, no iron-ons. These babies are embroidered up in here. They stuck to the bag. That's Mickey right there. Ain't going nowhere. So well done. So well done. And the other good thing and what really stood out to me is, and I also like embroidered detailing. So I have a couple of embroidered pieces, like personalized, like denim jackets with, you know, maybe an embroidered, like a name on the back on the chest patches area. So I thought that that was a really cool just addition, something I would not necessarily have expected, especially on this jacquard fabric. But what makes it work even more is when you think of the color palette, and why I like this bag is I wear a lot of denim. I wear a ton of denim. I thought this bag could look really well and go really well with denim. Also, if you lean toward more of a neutral color palette, which is perfect for summer. I know a lot of people love a neutral palette for summer. Specifically, if you're living in the land of the neutral brown, so tan, camel, tans, camels, khaki, cream, beige, off-white. This is already going to be hitting by itself. The jacquard, the brown leather, the gold tone hardware. But then when you add in this embroidery, it's a perfect pop of color. It's a perfect little piece of a conversation starter. I thought it was a really cool way to give like a little attitude, a little pop of color, but knowing that it's really not going to take away from your overall look. Just because depending on how minimal of a dresser you are and how minimal your style is, this is more just, this would be the exclamation on your outfit. So that was another reason that I really like this design specifically. And also just how, look how lean, this is such a simple bag, but still so impactful. I've always loved how the swingers they're classic. They're pretty classic bags. But then the design itself also is just a little trendy. So like the shape, you know, something as simple as the turn locks, secure piece, like securing and it is not wanting to work for me right now. Wait now, come on, there we go. So securing with the turn lock, securing the zipper. Now, when it comes to the space, how big the bag is, you'll see you do not have any pockets no pockets, no zipper pockets, nothing on the inside. So it's just bag. Like that's all you got up in here is bag and space. It would fit if you have an iPhone, a Plus, it'll definitely fit in here, no problem. There's also room for your necessities. So lip gloss, I don't know, chapstick, lipstick, whatever your lippy of choice is, you know, your wallet, even if you just have like a slim wallet or you throw your card. Some people just throw their cards in with no wallet at all. You'll be fine there. Keys. There's enough space for the necessities in here for sure. Like I said, no slip pockets, no pockets on the outside. It's a very simple bag. This strap on top is removable. So I guess you could technically clutch it too if you wanted to. Just kind of carry it under your arm. So you do have, and you have the top strap here. You have your crossbody strap as well, which is adjustable. So I would like to note that as well, because sometimes them crossbody straps are not adjustable, but this one is. So you basically have what? 1, 2, if you use just the top strap on its own, which a lot of people do whenever I see them with swinger bags, and they'll either carry it top handle or they'll throw it over their shoulder. And then you also have this crossbody strap. So that gives you a third style. And if you want to pull a me, which I usually will keep the top handle strap on there, usually put on the crossbody strap, let it hang, knot it up so it's not too long, and carry it top handle. And you can see this in my other videos. I'll carry with the top handle, but still have the crossbody strap available too. So that gives you technically 4 styles that you can carry the bag as. So very versatile, perfect size, and also just tons and tons of attitude when it comes to saying a lot, but not doing too much. That's what this bag does, and I love it. Also, like I said, it's for the 50th anniversary, celebrating the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World. Look at this detailing on the side. It's stamped. We are all up in the camera, but there you can really see how it has this really cool Walt Disney World stamp pressed into it to also commemorate the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World. So such a cool little bag. I am here for it. It's a keeper. Now, the next thing that I purchased is this key ring. It is listed as a bag charm, but then in the description, they also say you could use it as a keychain. So I purchased it as a keychain, and that's probably how I'll end up using it. But it's just super cute. I thought it was adorable. I've been wanting to get a Mickey keychain of some kind, and I just thought that this would be a fun one to pick up. It has Minnie, Mickey. They have their cute little cameras, and they are giving vacation, love, bugs, ready to take on Disney World and take all the photos so they can remember and print them off and put them on their wall or in their little photo book. I made this whole narrative up because I think it's just the cutest little design. I'm gonna get a little closer so you can see a bit better. But yeah, this is the keychain slash our bag charm, however you want to use it. And even the print, that you've got the, similar to what is stamped into, pressed into the side of the swinger tote, you've got this throwback Walt Disney World logo. And I'm assuming, and I'm not sure, because you can see that this Mickey looks like more of a modern Mickey that we're used to. And then here you've got more of like a retro design. So I'm not sure if this was the prominent Mickey design 50 years ago when Walt Disney World first opened. And that's why, you know, they paired it with the design that I guess would also go with the logo at that time. I'm just assuming. I would have to do some more research on that. Again, do not quote me, but I really love the fact that they also went with the retro Mickey, to kind of really round out this full design. And yeah, it's just so cute. They're so cute. Only Mickey has his camera. I want to clear that up. Only Mickey has his camera. Minnie said, I ain't taking no pictures. This is all on you, Mickey. You figure that out, and then you print them off, and we'll both use them after the trip. Also, as a bonus, I got this. This was a gift, like a free gift with my order. Coach also regularly does give you, depending on the amount of your order, they may be running a promotion where you'll get a free gift of some kind, maybe either a wallet. I've also had times where I've gotten like a customized little bag tag, one of these before, which was also cool. But in this case, the gift was this wallet, just our pouch, just like a zip pouch. I don't think I'm gonna use this, just to be real. I might, give it away or something, but it is very super soft leather, and it could be cool if somebody needed it, or, you could even just use it. It's just like a wristlet, and I think it may be a wristlet. Let me see. Yeah, so a pouch wristlet is how it's described on the tag. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Again, there's nothing much to it, just your internal pocket, zip it up, enough space for a wallet, or like some cards, just like maybe a slim wallet. Keys, lip gloss, or chapstick, whatever. Very simple, but also very nice. Again, I just don't see any need for it. I did not get to choose the color of this bag either. And I was thinking like, okay, well, what if I get a color I don't necessarily want or don't like? So the free gifts are nice. And sometimes you can choose the color or the style. Other times you're just getting a free gift and you get what you get. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And like I said, I don't see myself using it, but I'll find something to do with it. So these are my 2 items that I purchased from the most recent Disney Coach collaboration collection, the swinger bag, and then this keychain slash bag charm. What do you think? Do you like the pieces? Do you like the swinger bag? Do you like the keychain? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know if you purchased anything from this most recent Disney Coach collab, and what you think about the collection overall. And yeah, my name is Trey. I hope you enjoyed this talk through, this freestyle of an unboxing that is not really unboxing, but my version of an unboxing, because we had to do what we had to do. Be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time around.